Alright, what's going on, guys? Today's going to be a video on how to do a speed sensor cleaning on your Toyota Camry. I had this, well, I wanted to do this video just because I had plugged in my code reader and I had this weird code go off. So I'm going to go ahead and show you on the screen right now. Alright, so the first step you're going to want to do is go ahead and come on over here. Let me turn on my light so you guys can see a little better. Alright, we're going to go right behind, and then we're going to want to remove this bolt right here. Let me see if you guys can see that. This one right here. Alright, I'm going to give it a quick whack with the 3/8. Alright. It looks like there is some stuff right on there. And the error code showed that there was a foreign object that was on it. Let's see if I can get a quick zoom in. There we go. All that stuff that's right there is not supposed to be on there. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and grab a towel and try to clean it up. You want to be very careful with this as well, because this part is not very cheap. So, let's go ahead and do that next. Grab your napkin or whatever you want to grab. It's my shop towel. And try to remove some of this dirt and grime that's on there. Like I said, you want to be very careful with this. I told you this part is not cheap. From what I've read, this is pretty much the sensor tip right there. So go ahead and clean that up. Let's see. Yeah, and I highly doubt this has ever been cleaned before. And then again, the car's really old, so over time you'll have to do stuff like this. Let me see. Look at that. Perfect. Looks pretty clean to me, to be honest. Next step you're gonna want to do is, let's just take a quick look inside here to see if there's any corrosion, like how there was with that. As you can see, it's not really that bad. Point it down. It doesn't look that bad inside, but I'll just touch it up real quick. The pick tool, try to remove whatever stuff is in there. It's a little dirty, nothing crazy. I don't know, I think one of the causes of this was I had recently, well not recently, but done a wheel bearing on this car and I forgot to put the shield back on. So, maybe that's why, who cares. Get in there. That is dirty.